Before we start, I want to speak to you who are listening or reading. This guide is for travelers and English learners. You do not need strong English. You do not need travel experience. This guide will help you step by step, from buying an air ticket to arriving at the hotel to staying comfortably. You will learn simple travel English, important travel words, what to do at every step, how to feel calm and confident. Now let us begin. Chapter 1. Planning your trip. Before you travel, you must plan. First, choose where you want to go, when you want to travel, how many days you will stay. Always check your passport is valid. You need a visa or not. Planning saves money and stress. Chapter 2. Buying an air ticket. You can buy an air ticket online or at a travel office. Common websites, airline websites, travel booking websites. Important words: one-way ticket, return ticket, departure when you leave, arrival when you arrive. Example sentence: I want to buy a return ticket from Brussels to London. Always check date, time, baggage allowance. Cheap tickets are good, but read carefully. Chapter 3. Preparing for the airport. Before going to the airport, print your ticket or save it on your phone. Pack your bag. Check baggage weight. Important items: passport, ticket, money, phone charger. Arrive early. For international flights, arrive 3 hours before. Chapter 4. At the airport, check-in. At the airport, go to the check-in desk. You may hear, "May I see your passport? Do you have luggage?" You can say, "Here is my passport. Yes, I have one bag." After check-in, you get a boarding pass. Keep it safe. Chapter 5. Security and boarding. At security, remove metal items. Follow instructions, then go to the gate. Important words: gate number, boarding time. You may hear, "Flight 203 is now boarding." Follow the line calmly. Chapter 6. On the plane. On the plane, sit in your seat. Listen to staff. You may hear, "Fasten your seatbelt." Please remain seated. If you need help, say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Chapter 7. Arrival in a new country. After landing, go to passport control. Show passport. They may ask, "Why are you here?" You can say, "I am here for tourism." Then collect your luggage. Chapter 8. Going to the hotel. You can go to the hotel by taxi, train, bus. Useful sentence: Please take me to this hotel. Always keep the hotel address with you. Chapter 9. Checking in to the hotel. At the hotel reception, they may say, "Welcome. May I see your passport?" You can say, "I have a reservation." Important hotel words: room key, breakfast, checkout time. Ask politely, "What time is breakfast?" Chapter 10. Staying at the hotel. At the hotel, respect rules. Keep your room clean. If you need help, "Excuse me, I need help with my room." If something is wrong, "The room is cold. There is no hot water." Simple English is enough. Chapter 11. Checkout and leaving. Before leaving, pack your bags, return room key. At reception, say, "I want to check out." Check your bill and say thank you. Final message: travel is not scary. English does not need to be perfect. Calm words, polite voice, and confidence are enough. Listen again. Read again. Practice again. The more you repeat, the better you become. Travel with confidence. Speak with simplicity. Enjoy the journey. If this guide helped you, don't stop here. Get the full travel guide as a PDF and save it on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can read it anytime, even without internet. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Step 2. Buy the PDF. Step 3. Check your email and download it instantly. This PDF will help you travel with confidence, use simple English at the airport and hotel, avoid stress and confusion, and practice before your trip. The price is small, like a cup of coffee, but the value will help you on every trip. Learn once, use it forever. Travel with confidence.